Lakini nimechukua. Ameenda wapi?
Watu wanakuja kuchafua hapa na tutachafukana.
Unasikia? Aje mwekea na
Mambo gani? Huyu ni mkeo umeelewana. Yeye amekuja na huyu.
waende huko waende. kijana, sio kutuma Mungiki kuja watu. Wewe ni Mungiki.
Sisi tukipanda mtu yoyote tutaua.
Anaiba mbele ya polisi.
Mungenipea hii. Ni hivyo imeisha. Haya karibu ianze. Imeisha kuna ingine. Ndio tunapoesha tunaenda kuuza hiyo ni shedi cha drone. Makote saa hii. Ndio hatuwezi. Rudi kwa raina kwa makote. Hapa tunapima saa hii. Kwanza hii chuma ndo nataka.
Hii sura yako inafaa kuingia tao.
Pesa kidogo na haribu maisha yako. Nani tokea kamera. Heshimu serikali bwana, kama umeshachukuliwa na hawa usirushe mawe. Baba tufanyie kitu. Achomwe pia. Leo jamaa huku amelipa sana achomwe. Amelipa na serikali. Mmoja mwenye ameshikwa hata hiyo maandamano hatukutaka. Anga maandamano wamenyang'anya mama simu. Ndio tulikuwa tunaitishia mama simu. Mama amepata kila kitu, gamenti zote za hospitali tumepata. Huyo mama amepata kila kitu yake. Ama sasa hii wakianza hivi ujinga tunakaa Kenya namna gani? Hata kuna bahati polisi wakija wataona moja.
Africa is free. People are waking up. Africans are waking up and want this narrative to get everywhere. Let people know the truth. We have been in slavery for so long, for 60 years, in fact 400 years. Now it's time for us to educate our people, teach our people that the way we are ruled is not the right way. We are still being ruled by colonialists. Colonialism never really ended. That is the truth which history has hidden from us for all this long. But now we must fight neo-colonialism or capitalism the same way our fathers fought colonialism. Capitalism is the same as colonialism. The evils of capitalism are the same as the evils of colonialism. Capitalism must fall for humanity to become free. These brothers, the capitalists must fall. They are killing our young men. They are killing our young people for them to stay in power, for them to continue killing in power. It is very sad. People are being abducted. People are being killed. Young men, it's very sad. Parents are educating their children only to have to bury them in the head. It is so sad. It should not be this way. We must resist and resist completely. And we must make this happen very soon. We must avoid too much risk, too many risks, because people are being killed. So we must know what to do so as to remove this evil system from power. We cannot accept this. We will not accept this. People, Africans must wake up. Africans unite. Poor people of Africa unite. There's no other way to freedom other than unity. Unity is the foundation of freedom. When we unite, nobody will be able to stop us. When we have an agenda, nobody will be able to stop in our way. Revolution must come. Revolution is coming and nobody will be able to stop it. Not even the army, not even the court of law, not even the police. Nobody will be able to stop an idea whose time has come. And so we must tell our people the truth. Tribalism is the curse of this nation. Tribalism is the curse of Africa. Unless we destroy tribalism and rise above tribal hatred and tribal divisions, we shall not be free. So tribalism must die for Africa to become free. Tribalism is a disease of the mind. Tribalism is a state of the mind. Tribalism is a ploy which politicians use to perpetuate themselves in power. The ruling political elites have historically used tribalism to divide and conquer. But now we must become wise and resist all this cruel manipulation of the poor by politicians. Politicians